Let the man go, let the man go, release me from these chains. Let the man go, let the man go, stop playing your game. Nothing you can do to take me away.
Pull over! Woo! Good morning, officer. What's the emergency?
License and registration.
What's the problem?
I saw you. License and registration.
Well, excuse me, sir. I haven't done anything unlawful. Before this goes any further, I'll need to see a valid claim. And,
License and registration.
officer, I can't see your name tag. Big? Listen, I'm non-violent, and we don't need to have a situation like...
911, what is your emergency?
It's just been addressed by a police officer, and I'm in fear for my safety, and I'm going to...
Hello? Hello?
Hold up. Have you read the Constitution? What about the Bill of Rights? What about the Emancipation Proclamation? Or how about the codes of the USC or the UCC? Officer, you did sign an oath to uphold those laws. How can you do your job and get compensated for it when you didn't meet the requirements and standards to have such a privilege without making a mistake if you don't know the rules and the actual laws? I hope you didn't lie on your application. Look, I know my driving record lists a lot of suspensions, but 4 or 5 of them are from clerical errors that I've corrected, and they're not listed on the record.
Then, believe me, I assume the worst. Every car I come up to, they have guns in it. That's just me, because if I let that car down, then I'm hurting myself. Okay, this is my zone, my area. I'm walking down here all the time.
You won't know a jail cell till your head hits the wall and starts bleeding, Daniel. Ha ha ha! I could do whatever I want. I'm a judge. I could have that guy right behind you rip your legs off and you could bleed to death. I can do that. How about a continuance?
And I'd just like to remind the court how much of a disadvantage you are at if you represent yourself like this gentleman here today. I'd just like to remind everybody, you must get a lawyer.
You must get a lawyer.
You must get a lawyer.
You're going to have to get a lawyer.
You're going to have to get a lawyer. Lawyer.
We could use our details, but you're not allowed to.
Shit, we know Benitez is a lawyer, and he's screwed up. What can we get him on? This guy's got no record? You know what always works? The resist an arrest without violence charge. Nobody beats that.
It all depends what the state wants to do. I don't care about your driving record, whether it's accurate or not. This is what we say you are, so you will be. Ha ha ha!
Don't you just love being a state's attorney? It's like playing remote control cops. Ha ha ha! And the judges are the batteries that keep us going. Ha ha ha!
Constitution smarts the smooshing. It doesn't matter if you committed a crime or not. This is the way it is.
We could use our details, but you're not allowed to. Don't give me that bullshit. You did this to yourself.
You're not allowed to represent yourself.
You're not allowed to represent yourself. What do you mean you don't understand the charges? Somebody's principle has to bend here. Hey, Bruce, remember how I got elected with that catchy commitment phrase about being the probe for police brutality? You can quote me on that. Well, Daniel can't, but you can. Ha 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 ha!
Fuck his rights. I don't have to be there. I'll just sign off on him. I don't even know the guy. Fuck him.
I've already entered a plea on your behalf a while ago.
Hang up the fucking phone! Hang up the fucking phone! We don't care if you hurt anybody, stole anything, or damaged any property or not. It's your turn. Doesn't matter what I do. I'm allowed to do anything. Homeland Security, buddy. I could even lie on this police report. And this is my area. I'm here all the time, so I better not catch you. How do you like that, Mike? All we gotta do is keep sending different assistant state's attorneys in there to keep representing the charges, and we can keep these people in court long enough until they just decide they want to get the hell out, and they'll just sign anything just to get out, even put themselves in jail.
And I'd just like to remind the court how much of a disadvantage you are at if you represent yourself like this gentleman here today. I'd just like to remind everybody.
Get in the vehicle! Get in the vehicle!
It's damaging more lives than it is helping the situation.
And the way it is.